Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the question paper of ISRO 2023 exam for the post of scientist engineer from the field of architecture. So in this video we will solve its aptitude questions, and these questions will also help you for your GATE aptitude exam. So hey guys, my name is Rahul and you're watching Architecture and Planning with Rahul. So let's start with today's first question. Which option replaces the question mark? So in this question we have two sets of images. So from the first set of image we have to find out what will come in place of question mark. So first understand the relation between the images of set 1. So boat pedal is used to give direction to boat. So similarly a steering wheel is used to give direction to a car. Therefore the correct answer of this question is option number D. Let's move to the next question. Find the replica image to the first. So here we have to find the similar image of this first picture. So in such question where the options are given in its rotated form, then first we have to fix an element, and from that point just understand the position of other elements. So first we fix an element. So here we are fixing this element, and from this element this circle is just 2 steps away from anti-clockwise and 3 steps away from clockwise. Now we will try to find the similar pattern in the given option. Just check one by one. So in option 1, this is our fixed element and this circle is 2 steps away from anti-clockwise and it is 3 steps away from clockwise. Here I am calling this point as step 1 and 2, and from clockwise this is 1, 2 and 3. Therefore the correct answer is option number A. Question number 3 is, which option replaces the question mark? So let's understand this code in first image. So this changes the shading of first and third item. This sign removes the shading of first and second item. Here these two first items are shaded, but when this sign is used, the shading of first two objects removed. This sign replaces the first item with a copy of third item, just like this triangle is replaces with a square, and this sign mirrors the entire sequence in y-axis. So this is the y-axis. So on the basis of these conditions we have to find out which sign will come in the place of question mark. So now this is our first sign, which is this one, which changes the shading of first and third item. If you closely see this equation, you can clearly see that the shading of third item is changed. Also shading of second item is removed. So on the basis of this, we have to find that sign that will change or remove the shading of second item. So only this sign removes the shading of first and second items. Therefore the correct answer of this question will be option number D. Let's move to the next question. The average life expectancy for the entire US population is 73.9 years. Born in Hawaii will live an average of 77 years, and those born in Louisiana 71.7 years. If newlywed couple from Louisiana were to begin their family in Hawaii, therefore their children would be expected to live longer than would be the case if the family remained in Louisiana. Which of the following, if true, would most seriously weaken the conclusion drawn in the passage? Let's see all the options one by one. Option A is, insurance company statisticians do not believe that moving to Hawaii will significantly lengthen the average Louisiana's life. So I think there is no mention of the insurance company and any statistics. So this cannot be the correct answer. Let's see second option. The governor of Louisiana has falsely alleged that statistics for his states are inaccurate. So there is no mention of such statement. Option C is, the longevity ascribed to Hawaii's current population is attributable mostly to genetically determined factors. So this statement can be true because in the paragraph there is a statement which says that if newlywed couple from Louisiana were to begin their family in Hawaii, therefore their children would be expected to live longer than would be in the case of family remained in Louisiana. So from this statement we can derive that there is a genetic factor which affects the life of both the state of US. And option D is 30% of all Louisianans can expect to live longer than 77 years. So there is also no mention of such statement. Therefore, the correct answer of this question is option number C. Let's move to the next question. Choose one of the following option that means the opposite to the given word, aware. So aware means already knows about something. Opposite of this word is ignorant. Therefore, the correct answer is option number B. And ignorant means unjan or unaware. Let's move to the next question. 6 people P, Q, R, S, T and U are sitting on the ground in a hexagonal shape. Let's understand this by a diagram. So this is an hexagonal shape. So there are 5 conditions given. We will start with the 5th condition, that U is sitting between S and R. Now 4th condition says that Q and R are adjacent. So Q will be here. 3rd statement is S is not adjacent to R. So S is not adjacent to R. Now 2nd condition is P is not adjacent to Q and R. So if Q is sitting here, then P cannot be here. So this will be the P's position. Now there is only one position left and only one person is yet to sit. T will be here. Now the question is, who is at the same distance from S and T is from S. From this sitting arrangement, T is sitting after leaving one position from the S, and we have to find who is sitting equidistant from S to T. So after leaving one position to the other side, R is sitting here. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, R. Let's move to the next question. Which option replaces the question mark? In this question, we have 2 sets of numbers are given, and on the basis of these 2 sets, we have to identify what will come in the position of question mark. In such question, you have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and try to find out which works. And if it works with first equation, then you have to test the same condition with the second set of numbers. And if that same condition works with the second set of numbers, then you can try with the third. Now coming back to the question, we will first add these 2 numbers. So this will give 11. Then we will add these 2 numbers. So this will give 11. Now if you subtract these 2 numbers, this will give 0. Now we will try the same condition with the second set of numbers. So let's add this. This will give 13. Now we will add these 2. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Now we will subtract this. It will give 1. So this addition thing is working with both set of numbers. Now we will use in the third also. So 11 plus 2 is 13. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now on subtracting this, we will get 11. Which is also given in the option. Therefore, the correct answer of this question is option number D, 11. Let's move to the next question. Which option replaces the question mark? So here we have 3 numbers, 1, 8 and 27, and we have to find this 4th number. So we can write this 1 as 1 into 1 into 1 equals to 1. We can write this 8 as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Also we can write this 27 as 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Now we know the pattern. It is the cube of sequential numbers. Therefore this 4th number will be 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So the correct answer of this question is option number B, 64. Let's see next question. Which option replaces the question mark? So here a code is given, and on the basis of this code we have to find the value of this question mark. So this is the input value, and when it passes to these 2 codes, it becomes BCDX, and when it passes to these 2 codes, it becomes XCD. So in these 2 codes, there are 2 different functions are happening. One of the function is removing the first element and other is taking the last element to the first. and this is how it becomes XCD. So on the basis of this, we have to find the function of this sign, which is given here. Since A is given in all the options, which means A is not removed, that means this dot function is used to remove the first letter and this arrow function is used to interchange the letter. And interchanging of these three letters is happened in option number B. Therefore, the correct answer is option number B. Let's move to the next question. So in this question, there are three facts. Let's see them. Fact 1 says islands are surrounded by water. This is an island and it is surrounded by water. Second fact says that Maui is an island. So if Maui is an island, then it is also surrounded by water. The third fact is Maui was formed by a volcano. So this is a volcano, and because of this volcano, this island Maui was formed. So if the first three statements are fact, which of the following statement must also be a fact? So Maui is surrounded by water. So this is also a fact because Maui is an island and all the islands are surrounded by water. Second statement is all islands are formed by a volcano. So it is not necessary that all the islands are formed by a volcano, because from the third statement we can only derive that Maui was formed by a volcano. So it is not necessary that all the islands will be formed by a volcano. Third statement is all volcanoes are on island. So there is no 100% chance that this statement will be true. Therefore only statement 1 is a fact. Therefore the correct answer of this question is option number A, 1 only. So friends, that's all in this video. Make sure you subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.